let's have a look Swiss dollar. So free from weekly chart, this is not really, there is no trend really. You can see it's just up and down as consolidation here. But from last couple of weeks, if you have a look, this couple of candle, this is kind of like the really good kind of formation that for the downtrend. If you have a look this group of candle, and then up and down. So there's another uh, kind of formation for downtrend, 1 and 2. So I think this it should be a downtrend, starting of the downtrend. But if you have a look, the MACD is still in up above zero, so it's still saying that it's uptrend. Um, but after this week, I think this candle here, I think is starting of the downtrend. Let's have a look the daily chart. The daily chart is already break up this point, but coming up a little bit. So for what I think is this is a main trend, downtrend, and this is pullback, the correction wave. So for 4 hours, what I'm going to do is I can see that we can short here from last week, probably in the beginning of the week, we can short here, just short here, yeah. And there's 3 points I'm gonna have a look. So if we draw Fibonacci here, so the first point is 98.70 around here, 98.70. So uh, yeah, down to here, 70, and then the second point is 98. So if this downtrend, if it's going down, it should be the first stop is 98.70 or 60 around, and then 98. So one for the 4 hours, it can be have a divergence here, maybe coming up a bit, maybe here coming up a bit, and then go down, yeah. Or for the 98, it also could be a divergence here, and then coming up and down. But the first stop, I believe, is 98.70 from the current 99.60, 98.70 is 100 points, yeah. So and after that, after 98, could it be lower than 98? I think it could be. For my views, could be. Let's go back to the weekly chart. So if weekly chart, let's delete, yeah. And for weekly chart, it could be a pattern here. This is a X, A, B, C, and D. So this, yeah, 96, 96.60. Yeah. So it's 96.60 if you have a look. Yeah. Uh, yeah, just around here. So it could be after 98, it can be heading a lower again to the 96.60 for this point. 97, this is 97, so 96, yeah, this is a pattern, maybe a pattern. But the first stop we're gonna have a look is the first target. I shouldn't say stop, but target. It should be 98, 98.70 or 60, and then 98, and then have a look at the kind of formation. Maybe a little bit up, yeah, and then heading lower. So yeah, this is a point here. This is yeah. If you have a look back, this is a kind of formation here. Kind of formation that support resistance support area. Yeah. So let's short from the beginning next week to 98.60 first.